last few minutes. But let's move on and welcome on board a management now. Mr. Dinesh Agarwal, founder and CEO of IndiaMart, joins us on the show. Remember, the company has been on an acquisition spree, and in the latest news, they have announced the acquisition of 26% stake in Montaro company to expand their e-commerce presence. Hi, Dinesh. Good afternoon. First up, just give us the details regarding this acquisition. What kind of synergies do you anticipate? Is it going to be EPS accretive?
Currently, we have taken 26% for 104 crore rupees in IB Monotaro. IB Monotaro is owned by Monotaro Inc. Of Japan, and Monotaro has done 22 years of experience in MRO products e-commerce. They are the leaders in e-commerce space in Japan, as well as they have parental business in USA by the name of Grainger, as well as Zoro by the name of Zoro in Europe. So they have a lot of fulfillment experience. Industry buying, on the other hand, for the last 8 years have been serving this market to the small and medium business enterprises for maintenance, repair, and operations goods across 19 different categories and 39 different subcategories. IndiaMart has in the past also tried to do similar thing with the name of Tolexo, and we have now taken a minority stake to build this business over a period of time along with the two partners that we have.
Okay, so Dinesh, that was about the latest acquisition, but let me come and talk about the core business now. Will you continue adding customers at the rate of around 60,000 number per quarter? Is that something which we can expect going forward? And analysts are penciling in a growth of anywhere between 20 to 30% for FY23. Is that a fair assessment?
Yeah, so on the customer growth side, I think we maintain the guidance. We had done 5,800 customers, net customer addition last quarter. And as we guided, we will be doing in excess of 6,000 to 7,000 customers add in this particular quarter. We are ramping up our sales force also. We are having significant addition to our manpower, which should help us increase our customer acquisition and net customer adds. In terms of revenue guidance, as I said, our revenues work in a collection from operations that goes into the deferred revenue, and from deferred revenue, the revenue from operation flows over the 20 months period. So if you see collections from customer, they have been growing at a healthy pace of 25% per annum over the last 9 months. And we believe that with the new customer addition increasingly adding up over this quarter and next quarter, I believe that we should be able to get to our 20-25% revenue guidance as well in the FY20.
Right. So, if we just look at, so just if we go ahead and look at really in terms of the trends, the traffic, the collection, can you just talk to us about those trends? I mean, it's been quite volatile for the last few quarters.
Yeah. So traffic, as you see, last year we had on the back of the digitization and back of the lockdown, our traffic had grown by almost 45%. And so there was a pent-up demand that has brought the traffic. And now the traffic is stabilized in the range of 90 million per month or so. In terms of collections, last quarter collections are always healthy. And we believe that we should break out of that 220 crore rupees collection. This quarter should be much more healthier.
Can you talk about the competitive impact as far as IndiaMart is concerned and with new funding coming in for newer players?
I don't think there is a competition. This is more of a market expansion, because earlier there were very few companies who were doing market development or market making. Now there are many more companies and much more capital has come in to solve unique problems in the B2B space, in the SME space, and in the different industry segments. I think that will overall expand the market and create a bigger opportunity for everyone to serve. In terms of competition, I believe there is a lot more market development has to happen over the next 10 years or so. We have very recently got about half the population as the internet connected population, and each one of them will need software and business enablement solution and marketing solution. So over a period of time, I believe we have a large market to cater to, and we have many more problems to be solved at IndiaMart as well as by others.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Hope to connect with you once you have the new results and new developments at the company.